They were credible.
Rowere moromo 10,000 mawuok e gwenge mag Mount Kenya oyudo omenda kowuok kuom chenro mar Nyota. Omenda go mabende biro konyogi e ohelnigi. Kolose gwenge mag Nyeri, jatend piny Migosi William Ruto wacho ni rowere go biro yudo shillings 50,000 ng'ato ka ng'ato e okenge ariyo, matiende ni mokwongo gibiro yudo shillings 25,000 kaito bang'e ibiro medgi 25,000 machielo.
Pesa ni 50,000, sawa? Lakini leo you are taking half, 25,000. Alafu kwa hiyo 25,000 unaweka savings 3,000. Ile unachukua leo yote 25, lakini 3,000 itaenda kwa your savings wallet, which is on your phone.
Rowere moyudo sir makamano wacho ni gibiro tiyo kod omenda go e bero ngimagi.
Zimeingia. Confirmed they have received 22,000 from Nyota Business Support 1138. Zimeingia.
What is your plan?
We applied so many people, basi tulichaguliwa. And I would like to add, tume pesa mzuri. I have a kiosk. Planning, hapo nje, nijenge ka kibanda hapo. Niongeze male na niende makaa. Through creating that, nitapea mtu mwingine kazi aniuzie makaa. So when he pay opportunity, na pia nikapea mtu mwingine opportunity.
Speaker Marod